Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fit.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So, like I stated before, this video is to announce who the top 2 people were who won the Amazon gift cards, okay? But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. A huge shout out to everybody who entered for a chance to win this gift card. When we decided we were gonna do this giveaway, like, we really didn't expect this many people to enter, so kudos to you guys. If you didn't win this time, don't be discouraged, because there will be many more opportunities for you to win something on one of the channels, okay? Every month on both channels, we're gonna do a giveaway like this. So first week of July, go over to TNR Reactions and More. He'll be doing a giveaway. If it's something you're interested in, then by all means enter, and hopefully you'll be the winner. Starting this upcoming week, I'm gonna start doing random giveaways once per week. So I usually upload 3 videos. One of those videos will have some type of giveaway, and it's not like I'm gonna put it in the title so you can know it's this video. You gotta watch so you can know which one has it and enter for a chance to win. So if you want a chance to win stuff besides this, then you'll have other opportunities. So starting this week, look out on my channel. One of my videos will have something in there that is a giveaway. For TNR Reactions and More, starting in August, he's gonna start doing these random giveaways once per week, so look out for those. Like I said, many opportunities for you guys to win something on one of our channels or both. You might be lucky enough to win something on both channels. So yeah, but it was definitely a tight competition. I tell you, there were some nights where, like, 2 o'clock in the morning, I was waking up, writing down people who recommended people and whatnot, making sure I tally everything. But it was definitely a tight competition. Like I said before, after midnight last night, I didn't count any entries after that. So if you sent somebody after midnight, those people were not counted, because I have to have a cutoff point so I can tally everybody, the final count, so I can make sure I have the right winners, okay? So my cutoff point was midnight last night, so anything that came after midnight, those were not counted. So let's get to it. Wait, I have one more thing before I announce who the winners are. So initially, when I made the video, I said I was giving away 2 $25 Amazon gift cards. However, I thought about it and I said, you know what? That wouldn't be fair for first and second place to both get $25. So, changed it up a little bit. First place will be getting $30 and second place will get $25. So you get $5 extra first place. All right, so in second place for the $25 Amazon gift card, this person recommended 14 people to both channels. That's another thing. We had to make sure the people who you were recommending were following the rules in the video. I know some people didn't follow all the rules, and unfortunately we didn't count them, because if you subscribe to one channel and not the other, then you didn't follow the rules all the way, and we want to make it fair across the board. So second place with 14 recommendations for the $25 Amazon gift card. I think hailing from Trinidad, because I saw a lot of Trinidadian people on there. Hailing from Trinidad is Twin. Congrats to you, Twin. And I already have your Instagram, so I'll be reaching out to you. In first place with 15 recommendations. This is one of the first people that actually entered the competition. Like, as soon as the video dropped, I saw entries coming in from this person. I know I'm gonna butcher your name, and I apologize, but first place for the $30 Amazon gift card goes to Sarah Lourdes. I apologize if I didn't say that the right way, but that's what I got. Congrats to both of you guys, Twin, and Sarah. I appreciate y'all. And like I said before, there'll be many more opportunities to win. So if y'all want to come over and win some more, or recommend some people who want to win some more, by all means, okay? Peace out.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.